Hi guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Dakshi. So as you all know guys that coding is a future. So let's start with basic of Python. So first of all, let's start with mathematics. So guys, in maths, we all know that 1 minus 1 is 0, right? But if we want to check 1 minus 1 is 0 or not, then it's simple guys. Let's write 1 minus 1, shift plus enter, it's 0. It's very simple guys, right? After this, 1 plus 1 is 2, right? 3 multiplied by 5, it's 15. After this guys, if we want to check 50 divided by 6, it's 8.33333. okay, but if I do 50 double divided by 6, it's only 8. If you want point values, then it's simple, only 1 divide. Okay, if you don't want to take point values, then double divide. Okay guys, then it's only 8. After this, 20 plus 4 multiplied by 7, it's 168, and 20 plus 4 multiplied by 7 is 48. See the difference guys, 168 and 48. Why this is coming? Let's pause this video for 5 seconds and think about it guys. So the reason behind this is 20 plus 4 is in brackets. So that's why we solve first 20 plus 4, then multiplication. 20 plus 4 is 24 multiplied by 7. Okay guys, it's 168. But in this part, we first do 4 multiplied by 7, then addition. Okay guys, after this is called BODMAS, brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. BODMAS is short form of this concept. Okay guys, after this, if we want to check that what is the type of our output in this, what is the type of this, let me check guys, let me tell you what is the output of this. It's an integer, right? Let's do this also guys. Type of this, it's also an integer, right guys? After this, I checked type of 20 divide by 5 is float. What is float? Float is a reserved keyword also. Okay guys, let's start. Let's check print of every code. So print of type 20 double divided by 4, as I told you before, it's a integer, right? In this part, it's a float. 1 plus 1 is an integer. Print type of my name Dakshi is str. So guys, string short form is str. Okay, let's talk about modulus. 50 modulus 6 is 2, 20 modulus 2 is 0, right? So let's check this also. If you are confused guys, it's integer, right? After this, str is a type of some value. This is some reserved keyword that is available in Python. Okay guys, float is also reserved keyword and str is also. So 20 multiplied by str is 20 times of str. 10 times of str is 10 times of str. Then guys, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is 1000. In this, 10 double multiplied by 3 is 1000. Both output are same, but the coding is different. So type of 1 is integer, type of Dakshi is str, then type of false and true are bool. So guys, in this I want to tell you, for true, always T should be capital, and in false, F should be capital. Okay guys, this is the important thing. If I take small t, then name true is not defined. Why? Because it's not capital. Okay, so it's a bool. After this guys, let's talk about mathematical operations. So A is 30 and B is 50. Okay, let's check A plus B. It's 80. Then A minus B, it's minus 20. Okay, but I want both output, A plus B and A minus B. I want both. So what to do? Print A plus B, print of A minus B. So by this, by print, I am getting both output guys, right? If I print A divided by B, it's 0.6. Okay, but if I do this, it's 0, right? If I do A multiplied by B, it's 1500. If I also add C equals to 20, right? So let's do some. Okay, so A plus B plus C, it's 100. A minus B minus C is minus 40. So let's do this also. It's 0, right? A multiplied by B multiplied by C is 30,000. Okay, after this guys, let's do first name. My first name is Dakshi and my last name is Gupta, right? So this is okay guys, my first name is Dakshi and my last name is Gupta. I want this whole sentence. So what to do in this? So print my first name is this. Okay, last name is this, right guys? So if I run this, my first name is this and my last name is this, but where is Dakshi and Gupta? So for this, let's add dot format. Okay guys, and first name, then last name. My first name is Dakshi, last name is Gupta. What is this? I did some mistake. So my first name is Dakshi and last name is Gupta. This is interesting guys. So after this, I want to check my length of my name, Dakshi Gupta. So length of my name is 11. So first of all guys, I want to tell you that in coding, counting starts from 0, not with 1. Okay. So this is the end of my part 1 guys. So please like my video guys and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's meet in part 2. Bye guys, love you.